Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great night. I took some time, little man sleeping, and I want to come and check some dumpsters. And it's all newspapers. You can't see, I'll turn on the light. All newspapers there. Let's check this one. Empty. That one's just cardboard. So I just stopped in at a bank and I just wanted to see what kind of trash they have. Doesn't look like anything interesting though. The lid's broken. But gotta check, you just never know. Hey everyone. So I'm back at the gas place and it looks like this is filled up for me again. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can get out of here. And then I'll show you guys what I get. So this is what I went ahead and got out of the dumpster. Put a can here. Get this loaded in the car. We'll get this dumpster closed up. I dug through it pretty good. I'll show you exactly what we got when we get home. Move that so the wind doesn't get it. Yay! So everyone, I'm all back home. I went out for about an hour and checked some dumpsters here and there. And I went back to the heating and cooling propane place. And wow, I got more copper, more aluminum. I got some thermostats, a hole punch.
Another one of those.
Another one of these pump condenser things. An extension cord.
Bunch of shred.
And then just a bunch of shred. And I do apologize, it is a little dark in here. Our light went out.
Yeah, our light went out.
We need to get a new light bulb for it. And at the arena, right down the road, I found a Keurig in the box. Now, unfortunately, it's no good. It's all broken. So we'll go ahead and we're gonna save some parts off of it. The water thing, reservoir, the lid, and also the drip tray. We're gonna keep those and then we're gonna go ahead and scrap it out. Get everything we can out of it.
I got this for a PlayStation 4.
Yeah, and that out of a Tool Town dumpster.
I'm not sure if it works, but I got a cord that will go into this.
And that's to charge the remotes?
I guess so.
I have no idea.
Charge something. Cool.
But it's cool.
Good scores.
Yeah.
Got that for another hour.
It was fun.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Got some more copper pipe. Cool.
Yeah, I was super shocked. I thought at first it was plastic. Because there's quite a bit of plastic tubing in there, so you have to really dig through.
Like, what do? They strip it and then they just throw it in there?
Throw it in there, I guess.
Okay.
I'll take the little pieces.
Good for us. That's a nice extension cord that's missing all the ends.
I hope everybody is having a great night out there, and definitely keep pushing your dream, keep pushing your passion, however, whenever you can.
And have fun.
Have a great night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. We're just getting everything ready. Just sitting enjoying some beautiful sunshine.
Scrap run.
Yeah, we're gonna get the scrap run done today. So bring in our aluminum. Got a bunch of cans. Also, we're gonna bring in all our beer containers, alcohol containers that we've been saving up from dumpsters and on the side of the road.
So we'll get her all loaded up and then we'll show you guys what it looks like.
Yeah. So everyone, we're getting ready for the scrapyard. Got the car loaded. We got our motors, wires.
Bin full of wire. All our aluminum, all sorted. Our pop cans.
And then we got a little bit of shred.
We got a little bit of shred, but not much. But either way,
it all adds up. So this is just what, from
about 2 weeks.
about 2 weeks of picking garbage, so dumpster diving.
And we've been bringing the shred in as we get it, so.
Especially with our shred price right now, so can't complain.
Can't complain. See what we get.
And I'm gonna bring in the beer bottles first, all the alcohol containers, and I'm gonna bring them in for the return, the deposit on them. So we'll see what we get there too. It's all free.
Free is better.
Free is always better.
Have a great day, everybody.
Oh, have a great day. It's so sunny and beautiful.
Nice and sunny out today. I'm sure you'll get a glare off of this, but.
Oh, gorgeous.
Alrighty.
So, I just brought in the beer bottles to the beer store, and I got $6.80. So that was just free money on the side of the road in dumpsters. Saved it up, brought it in, and that's what I get. That is awesome. That's free money in my hand. Awesome. Awesome! Let's go to the scrapyard and get more free money.
It's delicious.
Hey everyone, so we're all back from the scrapyard. I'm super stoked. I was not expecting to get what we got. So we ended up getting $37. And I'll take a picture and get that put in, that way you all can see it. But wow, I'm amazed at the prices we're getting here right now. And definitely scrapping is so much fun for us. And then with all the beer bottles, alcohol containers that we've been finding in the trash on the side of the road. We've been saving up in our recycling bin. Brought that in today and got $6.80. So that's just free money.
So 43 bucks and 80 cents for free.
And this just gets to go into our budget and gets to pay off a bill. So awesome. I'm so stoked. I hope everybody is out there pushing their dream, pushing their passion, however, whenever you can. You just never know where it's going to lead you.
And have fun.
Have fun doing it.
We're having too much.
Too much.